Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today we'll be looking at Payables Agent. This has been a highly requested video, and so I'm very happy and excited to show you the functionalities today. So the Payables Agent, these are AI-powered features that are present in Business Central and that will help you automate end-to-end vendor invoice processing. So today we're going to look at a scenario on how this works in your Business Central environment and how you can really use AI when it comes to vendor invoice processing. So let's say you are the accounts payables administrator and you want to use the payables agent to streamline your vendor invoice processing. So first thing, what you're going to do is you're going to select the payables agent avatar, which is up here, and you are going to click on activate. Now, once you have this small window that has been opened, what you're going to do first before allowing or switching up anything is you're going to check the email account. So we are going to click on the three small dots here, and we will have a list of emails that we can select. Now, the emails that we are going to select will just mean that the payables agent will be able to monitor those mailbox for any incoming vendor invoices. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on OK. Once this has been selected, as you can see here, I can then activate the monitor incoming information to let the payables agent know that it can now monitor any email that I receive from that mailbox. You will also see that the active button here will also automatically switch on once you click on that, and then you can click on update to ensure that the new information is added to the payables agent. Then you click on accept for the terms, and you can then close the panel. What you can see is I have an alert that has been added in my payable agent's avatar up here. So anytime that you are going to receive an email with that mailbox that you've just added, your payables agent is going to show an alert up here that you can then click on to open. And you will see it will tell you that you've received an email from a particular vendor. And if you want to see more than that, you can click on the email and you will see it will also tell you that the mail was received and is ready for processing. So before you can go ahead and do that, you can click on review. And here it will show you the body of the email. So as you can see, this is what the email said. And you can also see up here, we've got a PDF. So a PDF was attached with that email. So you can click on that to view the PDF. And as you can see, we've got an invoice that has been sent by a vendor. And so once you've checked the invoice and you see that everything is correct, you can close it and then you can click on confirm right here. Now, as you can see, the payable agent has processed the invoice, and if you want now, you can just click on review and you will see that it has applied its accounting knowledge, received the invoice history for that specific vendor, and created a purchase draft for you to assess. So this is what had just happened. I clicked on review and it has now opened this window for me, this purchase draft that I can go and check all of the information. Now, one thing that is important here is you will see at the top we've got a small like alert that lets you know that this was an AI generated purchase draft so that you are aware that you need to check all of the information and make sure that everything is as accurate as possible. And then you can then go ahead and check all of the information here. Now, another thing that you need to also know is any lines or any field that needs review from your side will have a small icon next to it. So as you can see here in the different lines, we've got the icons that has been attached to it. And if you click on those icons, it will actually let you know what are the information that needs to be reviewed from your side. So once you've done that, you can also notice that the prepaid inventory lease is suggested to be deferred by using the 1 year deferral template code here. So honestly, this really highlights the powerful accounting knowledge that the payables agent brings to Business Central. Now, once you've checked all of the information, anything that needs to be reviewed and all of that, as you can see here, it will tell you the different information that needs to be reviewed. Click on confirm to finalize the draft. So now that this has been done, you will see in your small panel chat on the right that Payable Agent has finalized the draft and has turned it into a purchase invoice. So you can click on that and you will see now this is a final purchase invoice that has been created with Payable Agent from all of the information that we've just had. And once you've taken note of all of that, you can then go ahead and close this section. As you can see, it has taken the email that I've received from a mailbox that has been monitored by the agent and then has turned all of the invoice that I've received into a draft purchase invoice that I could check the information, and then it also automatically created the purchase invoice once I confirm all of the details. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.